Hey guys, we're back from the range and got a little customer build here in front of me. This is a Howa 1500 action with a 6 Creedmoor Panther hollow barrel topped with a Athlon Helos BTR 624 by 56. It's sitting in a KRG chassis with a Timony trigger and an Atlas bipod with a wee bad cheek rest on it. It's got a 40 MOA rail. We got some footage today of this guy basically in the rain. I'm gonna apologize for the footage ahead of time. It was pretty noisy there while I was videoing, but when you video in those conditions, you kind of have to put up with the noise of the condition, and obviously I was under a tin roof with the rain, so it's kind of loud. But I'm sure if you listen closely, you can hear everything I'm saying. I've checked the video out, and so far everything looks pretty good. Some of the footage we're shooting at a pig at 558. My camera dies in the middle of it, but then I show you the group afterward. We're shooting factory Hornady ammunition, the match ammo, and it does really good through this gun. We're going to be taking this gun to the mile next. It is still sprinkling a little bit. Of course, I just like being outside. So anyways, guys, enjoy the footage. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I appreciate everybody that's watching. You guys stay safe, and we're headed to the range. Okay guys, we're here at the range with the Athlon Helos BTR. There's that small round in there on the left. Next target up on the left. A little bit low, come up just a little bit, come up 2. We did hit him in the back end. It's aimed for his shoulder. Hey, there you go, right in the shoulder. I'm gonna put another one right there in his shoulder. Right in his shoulder. All right. Intentional round border. Square plate. A little bit high. I'm going to come down 1 click. Aim for the center of the plate. Too much. Go back up. It's right there, another shot exactly. Right in the same. Guys, I hope we didn't miss that. I got 3 rounds, or actually 4 rounds out there stacked on top of each other on that pig. I think I missed it in the video. I'm going to do it again here. So we're shooting factory Hornady ammo through a gun that's not even quite broke in yet. So let's try 3 more rounds and see if we can put them in there. Same spot. All right, buddy, here we are, 558 yards. This is your group right here. This is XC, 2 XCs right here. This is all 6 Creedmoor. It's about 2 inches. You use the digits of your finger, maybe 2 1/4 inches, somewhere in there at 558. There's 2 here, 2 here, and 4 there, for a total of 8 rounds. I don't think I got the first part of it on the video. I'm hoping I got it all, but if I didn't, I definitely got the second part of it. And second part didn't shoot quite as good as the first part. It is what it is. That's 8 rounds at 558, and that is definitely golf ball worthy. So there you go, man. next time you see your gun, it'll be at the mile, man. We'll see you in the next video, bud.